What if I told you that right now, today, in 2026, you could own a real, livable home for less than the price of a used car? Not a tent, not a trailer, a home with walls, a roof, a porch, and honestly, more charm than most million-dollar houses you've scrolled past on Zillow. There's a tiny wooden cottage sitting on Wayfair, yes, the furniture website, for under $16,000. There are century-old farmhouses in small American towns selling for $24,000. And there are entire countries where a rustic stone cottage costs less than a New York security deposit. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most insane rustic home deals of 2026, including one that nobody, and I mean nobody, expected to still be available. Before we get into it, if you love hunting for hidden real estate gems like this, hit subscribe right now, because I post deals like these every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming in this video. All right, let's get into it. Segment 1, the 16K Wayfair cottage. Let's start with the one that broke the internet earlier this year. In spring of 2026, people discovered that buried inside Wayfair's online catalog, between sofas and patio furniture, was a complete prefabricated rustic cottage called the Western Red Cedar Wood Home. Price tag, under $16,000. This isn't some flimsy shed. It's built from real Western red cedar, with 2 windows, decorative shutters, planter boxes, and a terrace big enough to actually sit on with your morning coffee. It's got that neo-Western farmhouse look, the kind of aesthetic people are paying interior designers thousands to recreate. And according to real estate experts, this isn't a fluke, it's part of a much bigger shift. One market specialist explained that buyers are quietly moving away from excessive luxury living and gravitating towards smaller, cozier spaces that actually feel like home, instead of empty mansions that feel disconnected. Now here's the catch, nobody tells you in the thumbnail. Tiny homes like this come with real trade-offs. Storage is brutally limited. You'll need your own land, your own foundation work, permits, and utility hookups. The cottage itself is just the structure. So that $16,000 price tag is the beginning of the budget, not the end of it. But still, $16,000 for the bones of a home? That's less than most people spend on a kitchen renovation. Segment 2, the forgotten American farmhouses. Here's where it gets even more interesting, because while everyone's talking about tiny prefab homes, there's a quieter market that's been hiding in plain sight. Full-sized, century-old farmhouses in small-town America, selling for absurdly little. There are entire newsletters with over 200,000 subscribers built around nothing but finding these homes. And the numbers are wild. A solid all-brick, 2-story home with 6 bedrooms, original wood flooring, and a wraparound porch, just minutes from Saginaw, Michigan, listed for $24,900. A 4 to 5 bedroom home with oak cabinets, a working fireplace, and a separate dining room in small-town Iowa, $49,900. A historic home in Sylacauga, Alabama, once owned by one of the town's founding families, complete with soaring ceilings, a wraparound porch, and its own old carriage house, listed under $50,000. Now, why are these so cheap? It's not a scam and it's not a trick. These towns are small, populations are shrinking, and there's just less competition for buyers. Many of these homes genuinely need work, new wiring, updated plumbing, some TLC. But the bones, the character, the craftsmanship from over a century ago, you simply cannot recreate that with new construction at any price. This is the part people miss. Rustic doesn't always mean rundown. Sometimes it means built before anyone cut corners. Now, the next one on this list is the one that genuinely surprised me the most, because it's not even in the United States. And it might change how you think about owning a home altogether. Keep watching, because I'm about to show you a stone cottage that costs less than most people's annual rent. Segment 3, the international bargains. Let's leave the US for a second, because the most jaw-dropping rustic home deals of 2026 are overseas. In rural Romania, you can find countryside cottages, real stone and wood homes with land attached, for as little as $10,000 to $15,000. Even in some of the country's smaller cities, you can buy property for around $30,000. In rural Bulgaria, traditional village houses in quiet, non-touristic areas typically run between $15,000 and $40,000 total. Renovation costs are low too. And Bulgaria has some of the lowest property taxes in all of Europe, often under 0.5% of the home's value per year. Then there's Georgia, the country, not the US state, which has become a magnet for digital nomads and retirees, because foreigners can buy property there with almost no restrictions and zero purchase tax. Even Turkey makes the list, with small homes and quaint village properties available for under $40,000 in coastal towns. Though it's worth noting that Turkey's inflation has been volatile, so currency risk is real if you're buying with savings rather than local income. The pattern here is simple. The further you get from major cities, the more your money stretches. A home that would barely cover a down payment in a big city can buy you an entire rustic property, sometimes with land, once you move toward the countryside. Segment 4. Why this is happening now. So why is 2026 the year this conversation is blowing up? A few things are colliding at once. Younger buyers are priced out of traditional city housing markets and are openly rejecting the idea that bigger automatically means better. Remote work has made location far less important than it used to be. If your job lives on a laptop, why not live somewhere your money goes 10 times further? And rural populations in places like the American Midwest, Eastern Europe, and parts of the Balkans have been shrinking for years, which means there are simply more sellers than buyers in those towns, and that pushes prices down. Add in the rise of prefab and modular construction, companies now ship rustic cabin kits for well under $20,000, and you've got a perfect storm. More supply, more affordability, and more people actually willing to consider it. This isn't a temporary glitch in the market. It's a slow, steady shift in how people are choosing to live. Segment 5. The honest warnings. Now, I'd be doing you a disservice if I just showed you the highlight reel and sent you off dreaming. So here's the honest part. Cheap doesn't mean free. A $16,000 cottage still needs land, a foundation, electricity, water, and permits, and that can easily double or triple your total cost. A $50,000 farmhouse from the 1900s might need a new roof, rewiring, or plumbing before it's truly livable. And buying property abroad means dealing with different legal systems, residency rules, and in some cases, real currency risk. None of that makes these deals fake. It just means the sticker price is the door, not the whole house. Go in with your eyes open, budget for renovation, and these can genuinely be life-changing opportunities instead of money pits. So here's the truth nobody expected. In 2026, owning a real, rustic, full-of-character home isn't some impossible fantasy reserved for people with huge budgets. From a $16,000 cedar cottage on Wayfair, to a 6-bedroom Michigan farmhouse under $25,000, to a stone cottage in rural Romania for the price of a used car, the options are out there. You just have to know where to look. If this opened your eyes to a possibility you didn't know existed, do me a favor, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me which one of these homes you'd actually move into, and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, where I'm digging up 5 more deals like this that almost nobody knows about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.